Did you ever hear of the Molasses Flood that occurred in 1919 in Boston? It was a tragic event where a massive tank holding over 2 million gallons of molasses burst, sending a 15-foot wave of sticky syrup through the streets at a speed of 35 miles per hour. The wave destroyed everything in its path, crushing buildings and trapping people. The aftermath was devastating, with 21 individuals losing their lives and over 150 injured. The cleanup was challenging as the molasses solidified, making it difficult to remove. The incident led to multiple lawsuits, focusing on negligence in the tank's construction. To this day, the memory of the Great Molasses Flood serves as a reminder of the importance of safety and thorough oversight in industrial operations.